All right, good morning and welcome back to Master Talker online class. This is our series on Olympiad Math. Yeah, Olympiad Math, right? So we'll be solving 200 questions on Olympiad Math. And the first one said x raised to power 4 minus 16 is equal to 0. Now, whenever this is a polynomial question, and the product or the solution of a polynomial question depends on the degree or power of the polynomial. Since this polynomial has the power 4 or the degree 4, all right, this question is supposed to have 4 answers. Okay, it's going to have 4 answers. So for us to solve this, if you remember that, now let us decide to break this man down. If I break this man down, I'm going to have that x squared all raised to power 2. Now, do you remember, according to this is 2 times 2 will still give us 4. Okay, if you break this one down, you are going to have 4 raised to power 2. I hope you know that 4 raised to power 2 is 16. All right, is equal to 0. Now, if you remember, according to mathematics, that if I have x squared, if I have x squared, okay, let me use another alphabet instead of using x. If I have x squared minus b squared, this is difference of 2 squares, difference of 2 things that is squared, and the answer is simply a plus b and a minus b, or you can say a minus b times a plus b, anyone you like. Okay, now since this is this, it means that anywhere I see a, I will put x squared here. This squared outside is the one representing this one. So this thing is going to be, this one is going to be now, is going to be x squared minus 4, because this is 2 things that are squared. Okay, let me put it like this so that it will make you understand it better. This one inside the bracket squared, this one inside the bracket squared, and their difference. So this is difference of 2 squared. So it's going to be this, then times you go again, repeat it again, x squared, but this time around you say plus what, 4 is equal to what, 0. Now if you look at 4 can equally be broken down again. So this 4 will still be written as what, x squared minus 2 squared, okay, in bracket of x squared plus 4 is equal to 0. Now I decided not to break this one down because we don't have sum of 2 square. What we have only is difference of 2 square. All right, now if we apply difference of 2 squares again, we are going to have that this is going to be what, this is going to be x squared, sorry, we apply the same thing again. So anywhere we see a, we put just x. So it's going to be x minus 2 and x plus 2. Then we now have this one, x squared plus 4 is equal to 0. Now, if you remember that when 2 things are equal to 0, it means that when the product of 2 things are equal to 0, it means that one of them must be 0. So from here, we can now say that x minus 2 is equal to 0, or you say that x plus 2 is equal to 0, or you say that x squared plus 4 is equal to 0. So this one moving here, you have that x is equal to 2, or this one moving here, x is equal to minus 2. But this one moving here, I'm going to have that x squared is equal to minus 4. Now, if square go to this side, it becomes square root. So x will now be what? The square root of, that is plus or minus, square root of minus 4. So x will now be what? Plus or minus, square root of 4 is 2. And square root of a negative is what? I. That's a complex number. So therefore, the answer to this solution is what? X is equal to 2, minus 2, plus 2i, that is 2i, then what, minus 2i. So this is very, very simple. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you understood this. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll be giving you back-to-back questions on Olympiad Math. Bye-bye.